Good morning guys, I hope you guys are doing well, and just to let you know, this will be my first video where I will show you how to cook liver. I have liver that is 300 grams because I'm very particular about quantity due to my diet plan, so I keep a track of everything. And to prepare this liver, all you need is olive oil, but you can go for any oil that you think it's good for you, and salt and dried basil and a medium sized onion and capsicum. Onion I use less because it makes the food sweet, and I really don't want my food to be sweet because I don't like that taste. And capsicum seeds, you can see that I'm using, it makes the food a little bit spicy. You know, the more dry a capsicum turns and the more spicy it gets, so this is why I'm using the seeds as well. And then I need some herbs. You can see it's coriander and mint. Mint makes the food taste great. And this is the ginger and garlic paste. Alright guys, so you have to preheat the pan for like a minute on high flame, and then you can add the olive oil, like 2 tablespoons. After that you can go ahead and add the liver and stir it. So after you mix the ginger garlic paste properly, just close the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes maximum. So 10 minutes done. So let us open the lid. So it's almost ready. Now the next step is to add the onion and the capsicum. After you add it, mix it well. Alright, and I prepare a paste of coriander and mint because I don't want to garnish it with these two herbs. I want to add it as a paste. So just add the mint and coriander paste. And mix it. After mixing it well, you can close the lid and you can simmer it for about 2 minutes. Right, 2 minutes is done, and you can see it's almost ready. Now it's time to cook it on a high flame after adding some salt, because when you're cooking a liver, you don't add salt in the beginning. It will spoil the taste. Once you cook it, then the last part is to add salt, and if you want to do some garnishing, you can do it with coriander or anything that you like. So add salt to taste. So we are almost done. We'll just add some basil leaves, and so serve it when it is hot. It tastes great.